Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the watch so the shutdown goes smoothly. First, make sure it has at least 5% battery or keep the charger handy. Low power can stop the process. Remove the watch from your wrist and unlock it with your passcode if required, because you need direct access. Once unlocked, press the digital crown once to return home and close any active apps. This prevents interruptions during the shutdown sequence. Now you'll trigger the power menu. Press and hold the side button, not the crown, until you see Power Off, Medical ID, and Emergency SOS. If the options don't appear immediately, keep holding for up to 2-3 seconds. Tactile feedback helps. Once the screen shows the Power Off slider, swipe it to the right to shut down. Make sure you swipe decisively. A light touch may not register and the watch will remain on. Finish by waiting for the display to go black and give it 10-15 seconds to fully power down. That confirms the shutdown. When you need to start again, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If the watch is unresponsive and the power menu never shows, perform a force restart. Press and hold both the side button and digital crown together for about 10 seconds until you see the logo. Only use this if normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.